Let's create one more tutorial in FreeCAD. In this video you'll learn to use the pad with taper angle and thickness. So open the FreeCAD and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the top plane and make this sketch. And here in the center of this arc will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we make, we'll create this arc with 25 millimeters of radius. And created this line here with 50 millimeters and created this line here. So open the FreeCAD, go to create a sketch and select the top plane, select arc from center, click here in the midpoint, the radius here 25 millimeters, make this arc here and select the polyline, click here in this point, make this sketch here. And go to dimensions, the distance here 50 millimeters. We made this profile here, so leave the sketch, go to pad. We need to extrude this 25 millimeters and the taper angle will be 15 degrees. So the type dimensions, the length 25 millimeters, reverse the direction, and the taper angle here will be 15 degrees. And press OK. We made this one. Now we need to hollow this body, and the thickness is 5 millimeters. So go to thickness, select the face that we will remove, the top face, and the thickness here is 5 millimeters, and press OK. And here we finish our exercise. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.